manufacturing is very amazing. The engineering, you see that, be it small or big component, but every part, be it small or big, it makes a big role in making the machine runs efficient. Hiwin, we can say, is kind of the products what you bring. Hiwin enable motion. So I had the opportunity to visit Taiwan.
Yes.
A wonderful country. A lot of engineering innovations happen there, especially in the machine tools. They are one of the leaders in the world. So I had the opportunity to go and meet Hiwin people there. That was almost before 15 years. So now at ENGIMACH, we are having two of Hiwin leaders, Mr. Johnson and Mr. Francis. Along with that, we are having Adnan Biringwala, who is the partner of Hiwin in India. So Hiwin is not just into one product vertical. You have wide range products. Can you please explain the vertical what you are working for?
Actually, in Hiwin microsystem, and we are manufacture and provide some solution for customer in the AC servo motor, direct drive motor, and the linear motor. And actually, we also provide the whole stage design solution to our customer in semiconductor or some automation or machine tool customer. And especially, we are a big customer in applied materials. They always have provide a requirement to Hiwin microsystem, and we can provide all of solution in a motion solution to customer.
So basically, we can say that it is more of the electrical side of the industry what you are serving from the Hiwin microsystems.
Yes, correct.
And I think the semiconductor, India through the PIL scheme, so a lot of activities happening. I think you are going to have a great business opportunity in India.
Yes, especially in Poland, will have a manufacturer in India, and I think they will have a lot of a machine can use Hiwin microsystem product in there.
So when we think about Hiwin, we always think about the bearings, the linear motions. I think you take care of that vertical, right?
Yes.
So how is that evolution? You are a very old player in this industry.
Yes.
How is this evolution is happening in the mechanical products line of Hiwin?
So actually, Hiwin has started the business since 1989. Okay, to the manufacturing the products like Ballscrew and linear guides. But over the years, other than the Ballscrew and linear guides, we have made modular systems like KK single axis robots, where we integrated the Ballscrew and linear guides into a module system where customers can use with more ease. And these products also come with high precision and high accuracy. And after that, because the world is changing, so Hiwin has gone into robotics, and with the help of in the robotics, all the critical components, more about 70 to 80%, are all made by Hiwin in-house. And on top of that, we have also manufactured rotary tables, which is very good for the machine tool industry, because our rotary tables does not come with a old gear system. It uses a direct torque motor that is manufactured by our sister company, and these torque motors are non-contact motors. So if you use for over the years, you will not have any issue with any backlash or any accuracy issues. So they will be high precision for a long, long time.
I was not knowing that you offer the rotary tables.
Yes, it's something new that has been in the market. And Hiwin has only developed the torque motor type rotary table because that is the future. These tables can go high speed. High speed, we are talking about something that's over 200 RPM, where most traditional tables cannot do.
All the best with you. I would like to go
Thank
to
you.
Mr. Adnan. India is one of the largest machine tool provider, and I believe in India, Hiwin plays a big role.
Correct.
So, how was that journey Luna Bearings is having with Hiwin, and the kind of market you are having in India?
We with Hiwin since almost 15 years. We had a wonderful journey so far. We've developed from the very beginning of linear guideways to the very high-end linear guideways right now. Hiwin has always evolved and always continued adding a new product depending on the requirement for the customers. Currently, I think we have a complete full systems in-house. They have a complete range of solution and automation, from guideways, from ball screws, from servo motors, to direct drive motors, to ball screw support bearings. So you can say it's a full automation solution, all-in-one automation house. Hiwin has always continued developing the same products. Currently, our main idea with Hiwin is to have three main areas where we focus on: cost, quality, and availability. I believe in Indian customers, the planning is really poor. So they want material yesterday. So in keeping that in mind, we always keep a good amount of stock in India. We have a very good team in-house who can advise customers on what product to use in the design aspects of it. We sit with their designers to guide them and then we handhold them into moving forward. So that's been the success story for us, not only providing a product but a complete solution. With Hiwin, the advantage we get a total range of total automation solution under one roof. India right now is just developing. I think the future is very, very big. 3 areas are going to be developed in India very soon. One is 3C, which is televisions, mobile phones or electronics, which is not yet come into India. 3C requires all of our products and the products will require precision, accuracy and speed. So we are ready for that. Then you have the solar industry, which is yet very small in India. Right now we are just doing solar panel assembly. We're not even making the solar cells. So now once the solar cell starts developing, you will have a lot of requirement. Then there is the semiconductor industry or the fabs. Once the fabs start in India, the requirement will be huge. Then we also have the battery or the EV industry. So I think rather than 3, we have 4 big industries we are catering to. And we are preparing ourselves for the future. What would these industries require? What are the products they require? What is the technology? So we already are working with Hiwin closely to teach our engineers and to teach our customers to make equipments for that. India is making simple machines now, but yes, there's a potential for developing high-end, high-technology products. And I think we are ready for it. So the future is bright and we are ready for it and we are running towards it.
And personally talking, we believe Taiwan is a great partner for India for the future.
Yes.
We are trying to build a very robust manufacturing in India.
Yes.
And we are happy that we met the entire team of the Hiwin people who are in the ground level and supporting the Make in India initiatives. What we also would like Hiwin management to look at is how to expand your manufacturing towards India.
Yes.
It's the future. We welcome you to
Thank
come
you.
with Luna.
Thank you.
Have a small Make in India facility here and let's make India the hub of global manufacturing.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you very much.